Peppa's first glasses. Peppa and George are outside playing with their friends Pedro Pond. They are busy jumping in the mud. Splash, splash! Ha ha ha! Peppa giggles as she jumps up and down. Or oh! Pedro exclaims as he slips in a puddle and falls over. His glasses fly high into the air and land on the grass. Nay, where are my glasses? Pedro asks Peppa and George, stumbling about. Pedro can't see very well without them. Nay! Peppa and George look for Pedro's glasses. George quickly finds them and tries them on. Silly George, Peppa says. She takes the glasses and gives them back to Pedro. Here they are. Thank you, says Pedro as he puts them on. Pedro, why do you wear glasses? Peppa asks. I need to, replies Pedro. My daddy says so. He's an optician. What? An optician? Peppa wonders. Pedro explains. An optician's check that you can see clearly. He does an eye test. Shall I give you an eye test? Pedro asks Peppa. Peppa agrees and Pedro leans in close. Snort, snort. Mmm, interesting, he says, rubbing his chin. Close one eye and say what you can see. I can see George, Peppa says. George snort. Now close both eyes, Pedro instructs Peppa. Peppa closes both her eyes. I can't see anything, Pep- Peppa says. Can't see anything? Very, very interesting, Pedro says. I think you need glasses. Soon it is Pedro's home time. He waves goodbye to his friends and goes home with his mom. Peppa and George go inside. Pedro gave an eye test and I need glasses, says Peppa. When I closed my eyes, I couldn't see anything. No one can see anything with their eyes closed, Mommy Pig explains. But, Peppa said, Pedro knows all about glasses. All right, Peppa, chuckles Daddy Pig. Let's take you to the optician for a proper eye test. Peppa and Mommy Pig are at the optician's. What can I do for you, Mr. Pony asks Peppa. I need an